morning, good morning. So today we are here in Roodeplaat, Pretoria. Yes. So we are cutting down all these trees here. It's a plot where our client just bought this plot. So he wants to start construction. So he called us so that we can cut all these trees down. So it's a big area. It's a big area, so we are just starting now. So all these trees, they need to be down. We are going to cut them down. Yes. All these trees, we are going to cut them down. Cut them down. Yes. So I think it's 1,000 meters by 800. Yes. So we'll keep you posted. We'll keep you updated. Thank you so much for the love and support. Proud Tree Fellas signing out. Yes, it's happening. It's happening. Yes. Yeah. As you can see, this side is open. The trees are down. Yes. So we're busy. Yes. Proud Tree-fellers. The best tree-fellers is open. Yes. The guys are very serious with their work. You can see, very dedicated. Yes. So yes, it's afternoon now. We are pushing. Yes, it's happening now. Yes. So I want to show you the side we have already cut. Yes. So I think we are now left with these trees and also these ones here. Yes. You know, the client was here and he was impressed with seeing how quick and fast we are. Because look, all this side, the trees are down. So this side is open, and we're now left with only this area. So we are you guys. We are the best tree fellas. Yes, it's happening. Yes. Thank you so much for the love and support. We really appreciate it. Proud Tree Fellas signing out. Yes, it's the Proud Tree Fellas here. We are in Roodeplaat, Pretoria. Yes, you know, we are just doing site clearance just behind the cameraman here. So there's this river. You know, I just say, let me just go and relax there. You know, it's nice. So we're just doing site clearance so that the clients can build here and trying to beautify here this place. I think you visit this place because there are many things need to happen here. So if you whenever you want to do site clearance, we are there, we are available. We promise you, we always guarantee our work. We are very professional, fast and affordable. So call us now, call us now, call us now. As soon as you see this video, call us. Thank you. Proud Tree signing out. Hello everybody and welcome back. Now I'm back with the results video. Modern Deshe from Proud Tree back again. Yes, you can see now that the trees have been cut down, and you can see this whole space that is clean that you can see was as thick as this bush by the side here. So you can now see it's very clean and it's open. The client can now do whatever they want to do with their land, and we are going to leave it like that. Yes, so this is what we have been doing today in Roodeplaat, just cutting down of trees, and as you can see, Proud Tree Fellers has already done the job. So this is what we are saying. When you want to clear your land, your site for whatever reasons that you wanna, or just mere tree felling services, any tree felling service that you need, Proud Tree Fellers are your guys. So this is the work that has been done today here, and thumbs up to the crew and the crew behind the scenes. This is really impressive. Thank you so much, Proud Tree Fellers. Now signing out.